Hello, in front of me I've got Redmi 12. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter passwords and security. Firstly, let's go to screen lock, and as you can see right here we've got three types of passwords: pattern, pin and common password. Let's start with password, and then we are going to use rest of the unlock methods. Set your password between 4 to even 32 characters, and now use it to unlock the phone. Next, let's set pin number containing 4 to 16 numbers. And again use it to unlock the phone. And in the end, let's select pattern. And to create pattern, you have to connect at least 4 dots. Once it's done, go to Fingerprint Unlock. And to set up this unlock method, you have to scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the power button. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done and use your fingerprint to unlock the phone. In the end, go back and go to Face Unlock. Unlock it with your current unlock method, and now simply scan your face in the face scanner located in front camera. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. Simply swipe up and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.